YouTube? This your boy Brian. About to do a little video today. Guess what I'm doing? Riding a motorcycle. But other than that, I'm going to this antique car show right now. And check that out, see what kind of cool cars I can see. Anything cool, you guys will definitely see it. And I might practice a little bit of wheelies today. Find me a little deserted road or something and just practice. I don't have my full cage on my bike yet, so I'm a little skittish on my wheelies, but I used to stunt the hell out of a 250 Ninja. Like, I'd ride that thing forever. But how you doing, sir? I don't know if you heard me. But yeah, I used to stunt a little bit on a 250 Ninja. It was like a 2004. But man, I'd stand up wheelie that thing. I'd freaking all kinds of stuff on that thing. That was my little toy. And amazingly, yeah, you can wheelie a 250 Ninja. But today is a beautiful day, man. It's like 75 right now. And I'm squinting a little bit. I got my gloves on. But I don't have my riding jacket on. I just have a vest on. Yeah, I just have a hoodie and a vest on today. Of course, long pants and boots and stuff. But I call it squinting because I'm not wearing my riding jacket and full pads. I'm actually looking to order from Amazon this thing right here. I'll put it up on the screen. But it's a mesh. It's a mesh-like shirt with pads, like on your forearms, elbows, shoulders, spine, and all that stuff. It's just a mesh jacket, pretty much. And yeah, I'm looking to buy one of those for the summer. I just ordered some tires last night, and hopefully they'll be here. They're supposed to be here before Wednesday. I ordered 1 to 3 day shipping, so Wednesday. And let me also tighten my chain a little bit. It's a little loose. You're gonna have to excuse me. Every time I pass a window, I like to look at myself in the mirror. But yeah. So we're going downtown right now to check out this car show, even if it's still going on. And if it is, we're gonna check out some cool cars. This is a good road to do a wheelie on. I like this road. Not these curves, but when I get up here, right here. Right here. Look back. No 5-0. Yeah, that was alright. See if I can get another one here before this road gets bumpy. Nope. I didn't like that one. Yeah, I'm learning still. But tell you the truth, I don't even think the car show's still going on. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Usually on Saturday, oh, they're going to antique car. Well, not antique, but it's an older car. Oh yeah, the road's still blocked off, I think. I see something up there. Here's an older car. Oh, got the white walls on it. I see you. I see you. Okay, we're currently downtown. I don't know if this road's blocked off or not. I don't want to just drive through that and end up meeting a cop. So I'm gonna go take this alleyway right here. Ooh, nice Escalade EXT. we're gonna go around and see if we can get a good parking spot and walk up and down and just look. Just look. Oh yeah, there's some nice cars. I see a couple right there. They're not really antique, but they're look like a 67 Mustang and a GTO right there. Can't really tell. 67, 68, it's one of those Mustangs. Gotta be. Yep, I'm coming here. Oh, look at this one. A what is that, a Stratus? Chrysler? Oh yeah, a bunch of them are packing up. Yeah, they're pretty much done, I think. I want to ride through there so freaking bad. There's a car right there. You know what? I'm riding through there. I want to see these guys. Oh, somebody revved really high. We might see some cool stuff, guys. There's a bunch of people driving through here, so I'm thinking it's okay for me to drive through here. She looked mean. There's a couple cars down here. Let's see what we can find. Ooh. Nice. See, if that was a Mustang, that probably would have hit me. It probably would have killed me. I'm just joking on you Mustang drivers. Cause I see a bunch of videos of Mustangs. That every time they burn out, they always hit something or crash into something or wipe out a bunch of tourists. Hello, kids. They're awesome. Ooh, he got that thing slammed. I love when little kids stare and wave and, oh my God, that's a motorcycle. I love that. Go ahead. Your woman looking at my bike. She's so looking at my bike. Ooh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. I like that. Here we go, here we go. Got some classics, I see you. I should have got the whole crew together. We should have all came through here. Ooh, that was nice.